You smell what The Rock is cooking?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final match of the tournament to determine the
Know your
king
role
of the
and
ring.
shut your mouth.
This contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, weighing 270 pounds, The Rock.
The Rock's laying the smackdown.
I got the headset on, but the last thing I'm doing is ready to rock. I'm here to see The Rock get his butt kicked all over this building.
The Rock says, know your damn role.
Oh, it helps elevate everybody's career. Look at Stone Cold Steve Austin. Look at Triple H. King of the Ring is without a doubt a stepping stone to the top rung in this business. You just can't pose in any new